guys to Harden. The defense gets confused. 26-19. Harden the three. Next player on the weak side. Harden feeling good. Three total possessions in the first two games. Harden surveys down the lane. Juggles the cut. Normal shot, normal layup for James Harden right here. Ball loses it, catches it, finishes. You know, back for a moment. Harden feeling good. He's got a couple of threes. Harden with 13. How to get to your spot is key, and that's something Murray is as good as anybody has. Speaking of which, Westbrook has only taken threes here tonight. He's 1 for 5. Kawhi in attack mode. Fades and fires. Oh, what a shot by Kawhi.
Doing it Kawhi things. I see you, Joker. Can't get it.
Two. Oh, he backs it back out. Surrounded by white jerseys. Harden. Harden on a foul.
The Clippers only averaging 6.5 second chance points. So the more that you can get this,